From ocean to desert, grassland to forest, water resource is essential to human sustainable development, with high-quality water storage tanks. Contribute to global sustainable development. CEC Technology Company Limited. Global leader in storage tanks. Professional water solution provider. CEC Technology Company Limited is professional manufacturer dedicated to the fabrication of household and industrial enamel products since 1989. We are not only the first glass-fused to steel tanks manufacturer in Asia, but also have the global largest storage tanks production base with more than 150,000 square meters. Equipped with cutting-edge enameling technology for automatic production management and strict international quality control system. Our glass-fused to steel tanks design, production and quality control strictly comply with AWWA D103, ISO 28765, and CEN 1090 and so on, international standards. To meet the growing demand for various storage solutions, we integrated the top technologies and R&D strength, expanded our product range to fusion-bonded epoxy tanks, 304 and 316 stainless steel tanks, pressure vessels, HDG tanks, aluminum dome roofs. More than 30 years experience in the industry, our storage tanks are certified to ISO 9001, NSF61, EN 1090, ISO 28765, WRAS, FM and other international standards. Remarkable quality and services make Center Enamel enjoy the worldwide popularity. Our GFS tanks have been constructed in more than 100 countries, widely wins the praise and trust from customers all over the world, committed to delivering value that exceeds customer expectations, insist on R&D innovation, continuously lead the technology revolution. Center Enamel is becoming the global leader of bolted tanks industry, as the only manufacturer in the world which can produce both glass-fused to steel tanks and enamel-free. Center Enamel has been committing to innovative R&D with more than 200 national enameling patents. Now Center Enamel as professional water solution provider, we can also provide the whole EPC integrated service and anaerobic processes, which including technical design, equipment fabrication, procurement, installation and commissioning, continuous technological innovation to improve product quality, advanced fusion-bonded epoxy tanks production line, realizing intelligent and standardized production. Aluminum dome roof production line meets customers' needs for large-span self-supporting tank cover. Each production process is under strict quality controlled, with strict quality management system throughout the entire production, ensuring superior high-quality products. Everlasting innovation leads to outstanding achievements. Center Enamel, as the leader of bolted tanks industry, has achieved a series of record-breaking technologies and brilliant projects, designed, fabricated and installed the highest 34.8 meters GFS tank, designed, fabricated and installed the largest 30,549 cubic meters GFS tank. Excellent anti-corrosion performance, easy quick installation, enable glass-fused to steel tanks widely used in various water treatment applications, such as industrial wastewater treatment, potable or drinking water storage, municipal sewage treatment and water storage, biogas energy, oil and gas industry, landfill leachate treatment, agriculture, mining industry. Looking ahead to the future, Center Enamel uphold quality, integrity, friendly, enterprising, innovative, with superior technology and service. committed to provide professional water solution to global customers. Shijiazhuang Zhengzhong Technology Company Limited, global leader in storage tanks, professional water solution provider.